Hello, and welcome to Fastex Guide. To start your journey as a Fastex user, follow these steps to register. Visit exchange.fastex.com and click the Register button. Enter your email address and create a unique, strong password with 10 to 30 characters, at least one special symbol, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter and one number. Check the boxes and solve the CAPTCHA to verify. Next, click Register. You'll be redirected to the email activation page. Look for an activation email in your inbox. If it doesn't appear, you can simply resend it. For additional support, our 24/7 live support team is ready to help at the bottom right of the screen. When you find the email, verify the sender to ensure it's from Fastex, then click the Activate button. Congratulations! You're now logged into Fastex Exchange. Remember to enable 2FA authentication and verify your account to secure your profile and enjoy a seamless experience. And finally, subscribe to this channel to stay updated on all things Fastex Exchange. Thanks for watching.